Hey, what's up guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena and today I have one of the most exciting pairs of wireless headphones for the year, the new, romantically named Sony WH-1000X M3. So let's unbox them and see what do we have inside, how do they look and how do they feel and listen. So first of all, take a look at the box. We have 30 hours of playback time. This is 50% more than the previous generation. Bluetooth connectivity, wireless noise cancelling, and high-res audio support. On the bottom of the box, you see some labeling information, the Sony brand, and on the top you can see that they will work with both Android and iOS devices. So let's take them out of the box and see what do we get inside. App Store, Google Play, app support that you can get right here, and you can see this big case for the headphones. Really nice packaging, solid. So let's open it up. Even the zipper here is gold, which is a nice touch. And here you go. The new Sony wireless headphones. As you can see, they fold very nicely inside this box. And this is what they look like. Black color, the headband here, more padding, promises to be very comfortable for daily use. And here you can see this gold accent for both the logo, and right here you also have the NFC sign. This is how the cans look on the inside. Again, lots of padding. These were one of the most comfortable headphones that we have worn in their previous generations, and here they promise to offer a lot of comfort too. We'll test this out in a second. And right here on the bottom of the right earbud, you can see that you have a USB-C port for charging. Many headphones save $1 by using micro USB, but it's always a pain to find that one micro USB cable. So now you can just use the same cable that you use for your phone, which is a really nice touch. You can have additional input via this jack here. You have the power on button and the noise cancellation button. One more thing guys, here is the cable. You can use these as wired headphones as well, so you can just plug them in like so, and you can use them as wired headphones if you prefer to. So we'll pair this up and we'll be back in a second. Okay guys, now we've paired the headphones. Really easy process, just long press the power button and they're all paired in your Bluetooth app on your phone. So let's put them on and take a listen. Okay, we're not gonna lie, we've already tried these previously at the IFA show in Berlin, and we already know that they have great noise cancellation, and you can also turn this noise cancellation on with this button, and they really disconnect you from the real world in a sense that you don't hear anything else. Even if you're on a very noisy flight, you just put these on and you're transported to a different world. Audio quality is great at first listen, but we'll give you more in our full review that's coming up. So this was our first look at these new headphones by Sony. The price is $350 and they look great. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe for more, and I will talk to you in the next one.